It's Friday. We are unloading the bike off the trailer, getting ready to head out to Born Free, Texas. The weather's nice. Hopefully it won't be too hot out there.
I think she leaked out from the top.
Yeah. Need one of those things for the kittens. Getting a little bit of lunch so we can get the day started. We'll take you guys to walk around and see all the vendors.
Yeah, definitely get some food in us though.
Yeah, but it's a little hangry at first, but once we eat, we'll get right, and we'll be in the mood to walk around and shop, buy some stuff.
It's already hot and humid here.
Yeah, it's about 80 degrees right now. It says it's going to be 88, but the humidity is really high out here, so a little bit of clouds though, so that's nice. It's not like super hot, but let's try this taco. And this is Moto Loco Tacos. Cheers.
Got good flavor. Good taco.
everything just stays like this.
That'd be perfect.
Yeah.
And then he found the fenders separate. The one in the back of the van. Oh no, I'm talking about the fucking pink and concrete one. I haven't seen that one. It's in his van. That is tough. Drinking my Big Red Texas cream soda. It was trash.
It's good.
Big Red's nasty.
I think it
Tastes like bubble gum.
tastes good. Okay, now we are trying Davis Grill. We got some gator links,
Gator links.
alligator, and some catfish fillets.
I'm excited to see how these taste. We've never had gator.
I'm kind of nervous. Could try it without no sauce, just raw dog it. Some of it's hot, I don't know.
So, there you go. Without further ado,
Yeah.
I'll give it back
Hold
to
on.
Talon.
We'll be right back.